Hey there, everyone. Thanks for joining us for another vision therapy exercise. This one's called PomPom Sorting, and I have my toddler here with me. This activity can be done for children of all ages, but it's also a really great exercise that's simple enough for young kids to be able to do. So when we're doing this exercise, you will need something called a red patch. This is part of a category of exercises called MFBF. It stands for monocular fixation and a binocular field. And what that means is that we're going to be doing this exercise to practice strengthening one eye while we keep both eyes open. So the biggest trick of this exercise is getting the toddler to wear the patch. So I have here, Joshi, I have some pom-poms and I have a patch. We're going to put our glasses to play the game. Are you ready to play? Yeah? Okay, so we have to put this on. We have to keep it on when we play the game, okay, buddy? Good job, buddy. And mommy wear funny glasses too. No, keep it on. Gotta keep it on. Remember, because we're gonna play game. We're gonna play game together.
It's falling down.
It's falling down. It's okay. Okay, now when you do the patch, when you put the glasses on for the child, the eye that's open is going to be the eye that's the weaker eye. The eye that's the strong eye is going to be the eye that's behind the red patch. Okay, you ready to play? Now here we go. We're gonna put this on so we have a black background. And the reason that we have a black background is because when you're wearing the glasses, it cancels with the pom-poms. And the whole purpose is for them to be able to distinguish the colors. But they can't distinguish the colors if they're using their strong eye. They have to use the weaker eye to play the game. You ready to play? Okay, ready? What's this color?
Green.
Green, good job. And then what is this color?
Red.
Red, good job, buddy. And what is this one right here?
White.
White, very good. So we're gonna put the white pom-poms here, the red ones here, and the green ones here. Are you ready? Okay, so I give you this one. Where does it go? Good. I give you this one. Where does it go? Now you'll notice, so I'm wearing the red and green, the red glasses as well, because then I can follow along and see what he's doing. You'll notice that if you close this eye and you only look through the red lens, all of the pom-poms turn different colors. You won't be able to distinguish the red from the green, and the green ones actually kind of blend in with the background. So that'd be a good indication if he's not really doing the exercise correctly, he can't really tell the colors apart. Okay, ready? Let's do this one next. How about this one? What color?
Red.
Can you put it in the red pile? Okay, how about this one? Keep the patch on. That's, what color is that one, buddy?
Green.
Green. And this one?
Red.
What's that color called?
Red.
Are you sure? Look at it again. Now, he may call it red because he's looking through this eye. So you want to make sure that he's looking through the eye that's supposed to be doing the exercise. So what color is that one?
White.
White. Can it go in the white pile? Let's do a few more. What color is that one?
White.
White. And let's do two more. Great. And this color is, and what's this one? Great job. Now you will notice that sometimes the pom-poms can come in different sizes too. So if the child's a little bit older or more advanced, you could also sort it by different sizes. So you can say, oh, I want to put the big ones. How about the big green ones in this pile, or the small red ones in this pile? If your child's even more advanced, you could do patterns. Like, let's make a pattern of red, white, green. Red, white, green. So now you're working on visual processing, which is building patterns, but you're also working on anti-suppression, where you're helping the weaker eye to see clear. So thank you for joining us for another fun exercise called PomPom Sorting. Was that fun, buddy? Yeah, and of course, you may have to use some fun rewards like gummies or stickers in order to keep them engaged. But hey, he did a pretty good job keeping that patch on. We'll see you next time. Can you wave? Say bye-bye. See you next time.